guys, today we'll be making a new video. Today, as you can see, there's a new video. Let's see if it's actually here. Wait, whoa, it's actually there. There's actually 4 keys. Okay, but today I want to see which one's your favorite keys. So today we're gonna be going through this part here. So this is the normal. This is on floor 1. Yeah, this is the normal one. And the light up floor. I don't really like the sound, but I like the design. As you can see. Okay, why am I doing that? Okay. This is the poppy floor. As you can see. On floor 2. The creamy floor, which is one of my most favorites. It's actually on floor 1. This is the clacky floor on floor 3. This is the Thocky floor. It's also one of my favorites. Wait, did I skip? Okay, this is a Thocky floor. I actually skipped. This is the honey floor. Yeah. I don't really like it. Sounds like eel. This is the silent floor on floor 3. It's only in one obby. This is the water floor, floor 5. The water keys. Oh my gosh, why am I saying water floor? And these are the lava keys. Yeah. These are the bubble wrap keys. It's also one of my favorite. Sounds a bit loud, but I like it. And these are the cloud ones. It sounds pretty soft. These are the stone keys on floor 7. These are the grass floors. The grass keys. So there's the chocolate keys. I like chocolate. I remember that time I used to just eat Nutella, like without any bread. But yeah, one more thing for you guys. I'm actually allergic to peanuts. Yeah. This is the glass floor. The slime tower. The slime. The crunch slime. And there's this watermelon tower. Okay, I have no idea what that thing said. But the apple is coming soon. I wish I could just do it in this video. But that's all for this video. Tell me in the comments what's your favorite key. That's all for this video. Bye.